This is a rechargeable table lamp. I love these things. This is the second one of these that I've gotten. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. This is the black version of the lamp, but they also make a brown version of the exact same lamp. Solidly made small desk lamp, bedtime lamp, whatever you want to use it for. It's got a nice perforated edge on here to allow the light to go through. So a lamp like this would obviously be great for a desktop setting. It's such a simple thing to use. Looking at the lamp, it's about 11.5 inches long, about 4 inches wide on this base. And the perforated shade portion itself is about 6 inches across. It looks great on an end table, provide you a little bit of reading light at night. It's super simple to use. You just touch it to turn it on, touch it to turn it off. It arrives with a set of instructions. And you get about a 4-foot charging cable with this because it's a rechargeable device, and that's what I think is cool about this. Really simple to recharge. You just plug this thing in, little light comes on, it tells you it's charging, and while it's charging, it can still be used. Super simple to use. Touch it to turn it on, touch it to turn it off. While you've got it on, if you press and hold the button, it will dim the light. And if you press and hold the button again, it'll make the light brighter. Say you wanted to use it in a bathroom at night, for instance, you could set it to a certain dim setting, turn it on, and when you turn it back off again, it keeps that same dim setting that you had it on. And if you have to get up in the middle of the night and turn this light on, it won't affect your eyes as bad. The rubber bottom on here makes it easy where you could put it anywhere. This works great as a bedside light or a night light. And my absolute favorite use for this is using it as a torch when the power goes out. Turn this on, and now I've got a torch that I can carry with me from room to room or set down wherever I go, be it the bathroom, the kitchen, any room I want. I've got a portable light that goes with me everywhere. It's solidly built. It looks great. Got protection on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about setting it down anywhere. And it's rechargeable. The rechargeable table lamp, or emergency torch in my case. I love this thing.